Hang by a hair, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, hang by a hair. This phrase has a rich history and a vivid imagery that makes it a fascinating topic for English language learners. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how to use it in everyday conversation. Hang by a hair is an idiom that means a situation is in a very precarious or dangerous state, where the slightest change can cause it to collapse or fail. Imagine something literally hanging by a single hair. It's incredibly fragile and can fall at any moment. This phrase is often used to describe situations of great risk or uncertainty. This idiom can be traced back to ancient times. It's often linked to the story of Damocles, a figure in Greek mythology. Damocles, sitting in a position of power, had a sword hanging above his head, suspended by a single hair. This represented the constant danger and uncertainty of his position. The phrase has evolved to depict any situation of imminent danger or instability. 1. In politics, the peace treaty between the two countries seems to hang by a hair, with tensions escalating each day. 2. In personal life, after the scandal, his career hung by a hair, and any wrong move could have ended it. 3. In literature and movies, characters often find themselves in situations that hang by a hair, creating suspense and drama. 1. Describe risky situations. Use it when talking about situations that are very unstable or risky. 2. Emphasize uncertainty. It's great for emphasizing the uncertainty of an outcome. 3. Storytelling. This phrase adds dramatic flair to stories or explanations. I hope this video helped you understand the phrase, hang by a hair, and how you can use it in your conversations. Remember, idioms like these add color and depth to our language, making it more vibrant and expressive. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.